comparing the yes, on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of lines are consistent or inconsistent. Means what has me consistent or inconsistent meaning is has me consistent means the lines should be either the consistent case will be has me either intersecting lines or coincident lines. If the lines are intersecting or coincident, they'll come under consistent.
Okay.
And if the lines are parallel, that is no solution case, they'll come under inconsistent. Whether they have unique solution, that is intersecting solution, and lines and coincident like many solutions, they'll come under consistent.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni. So now for that, what we will do is, Hasni, we'll check the conditions. First one, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, Hasni. So I'm writing this in ax plus by plus c form, Hasni. So 3x plus 2y plus 5 will come left side minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay.
Then second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, Hasni. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. If I write in x plus by plus c. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
Then if you observe, Hasni, A1 is 3, B1 is 2, C1 is minus 5, Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
A2 is 2, B2 is minus 3, C2 is minus 7. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So, Hasni, I wrote A1, B1, C1 from this equation, A2, B2, C2 from this equation. By comparing it with A1x plus B1 plus C1 is equal to 0, at x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Already we know how to write ABC values.
Yes, sir.
So now the condition I am checking has, that is first A1 by A2 ratio I am checking. A1 by A2 ratio is 3 by 2. Okay. Next I am checking B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is 2 by minus 3. Means what? Minus 2 by 3. Now I will compare A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. Are they same as?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Same
Could you hear
as.
me once again?
Yes,
Once
Hasni.
again?
A1. Hasni, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Yes, Hasni. Are they same A1 by A2 and B1 by B2?
Yes, sir.
See, A1 by 2 is 3 by 2, B1 by 2 is minus 2 by 3. Are they same?
No, sir.
But Hasni, before you said yes, no, any confusion, Hasni, you can ask, no problem.
No, sir. I was saying yes, I could hear you, sir. I was not saying over here or in this question, sir.
So, you are not telling her?
I'm not telling this question, sir. You asked me, right, sir? Could you hear me clearly? I was saying yes for that, sir.
Oh, okay. So, A1 by A2 and B1 by B2, they are equal or different, Hasni?
They're different, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So, no need of doing C1 by C2. Once A1 by A2 will not come equal means no need of doing the C1 by C2, Hasni. Okay?
Okay.
Because if first two are equal, then only we need to check C1 by C2, whether to confirm coincident or parallel. But first two are not equal, first two ratios are not equal, directly they are intersecting. It's no need of checking the C1 by C2.
Okay.
Okay, Happy. So these lines will come under intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means they have solution, unique solution. So if they have solution means the lines will come under consistent pair of lines.
Okay.
So answer is consistent pair of lines, first one. Just for confirmation, once you check the back answer.
Yes, yes, sir. Consistent only.
Okay. So third one, second bit I am doing. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 Hasni. If I write it in ax plus by plus c form, 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 Hasni. Okay. Second one is 4x minus 6y is 9 Hasni. So if I write it in ax plus by plus c form Hasni, 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So now I am writing a1, b1, c1 values Hasni from these two. A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2.
Okay.
So A1 is 2 Hasni, B1 is minus 3, C1 is minus 8 Hasni. A2 is 4, B2 is minus 6, C2 is minus 9. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Now I'll do A1 by A2 Hasni. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2.
Okay.
Now I'm doing B1 by B2 first. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. Again, minus minus cut 3 1s are 3 2s are, which is 1 by 2 only.
Okay.
So first two we got equal Hasni. So I'm checking C1 by C2 now. Because first two I got equal, I'm checking C1 by C2 Hasni. Otherwise I would not have checked it.
Okay.
So now Hasni by observation we can see A1 by A2 we got equal to B1 by B2 1 by 2, but not equal to C1 by C2 8 by 9.
Okay.
So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So which pair of lines are same? So
Parallel, sir. So it's
they are
inconsistent.
parallel lines, which means inconsistent pair of lines because they don't have any solution.
Okay.
Yes, just for confirmation,
Okay.
this is the back answer.
Yes, sir. They're inconsistent only.
See?
They're inconsistent only, sir.
Okay. Third one we will go to the third. Okay, see?
Okay.
Third bit is asking 3 by 2 x means 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 is equal to 7 Hasni. So now Hasni, I'll do LCM. First, I'll bring it into ax plus by plus c form Hasni, where without any fractions. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, I have to multiply this with here. I have to do LCM Hasni. You can bring 7 left side and do it also. 3x by 2 plus 5y by 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now I am doing LCM overall. This is 5 1. LCM is 6 Hasni. So I have to do this into 3 into 3. This into 2 into 2 Hasni.
Okay.
And this is into 6 into 6. Okay. So
Okay.
9x by 6 plus 10y by 6 minus 42 by 6 equal 0. Overall, it will become 9x plus 10y minus 42 by 6 is equal to 0. 6 will cross multiply has been 6 to 0 will become 0. So 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0 is the first equation has been. If I write it in ax plus by plus c form. Once check has may have any doubt in this. I made the denominators of each of that same. The purpose is to remove all the fractions in the A1, B1, C1 values.
Okay.
If you consider with fractions also, you will get the answer. But
Okay.
it
No
will
doubt.
confuse you, so this answer. So now Hasni, what I do? See now what I'm doing the second equation. Okay.
Okay.
Second equation is what Hasni 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0 has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Hasina, what I'm doing is A1, B1, C1 values I'm writing, A2, B2, C2 values I'm writing. A1 is 9, B1 is 10, C1 is minus 42. Correct, Hasina?
Yes, sir.
Then here A2 is 9, B2 is minus 10, C2 is minus 14. Any doubt, Hasina?
No, sir.
Okay. So now I'm doing A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A1 by A2 is 9 by 9. 1 no has me.
Yes, sir.
B1 by B2 is minus 10. Okay. Both this one was plus 10 and that one was minus 10 has. So 10 by 10 is 1, but one has negative sign, so minus 1. It's an obviously.
So once could you repeat the question?
B1 by B2 I did it Hasni. B1 is 10, B2 is minus 10. So 10 by minus 10 is minus 1. Because 10 by 10 is 1, but 1 is negative, no?
Yes, sir.
So minus 1. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So A1 by A2 not equal to?
B1 by B2.
Yes, Hasni. So no need of checking C1 by C2. Once A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 Hasni, no need of checking the C1 by C2 because these lines will become intersecting. Okay?
Okay.
Consistent only. Just for confirmation, once you check the path answer Hasni. Once A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 Hasni, no need of checking C1 by C2.
Yes. Yes, sir. It's consistent only.
Okay. Hasni. So some teachers will do this question without converting this to without fractions. Asmi. I converted to with I converted this equation in such a way that in the final equation no fractions are there. Asmi.
Yes, sir.
Some teachers will consider this way only. So you need not confuse. Means with fractions only they'll take A1, A2 and 7 they'll bring it left side. That is A1 will become 3 by 2, B1 is 5 by 3, C1 is minus 7.
Yes.
Okay, they'll do it with that way only, but then we'll get A1 by A2 as per their values they'll get. Finally, should be means Hasni, you will mean simply to tell what I'm trying to tell is Hasni. Finally, we will get same that thing A1 by A2 whatever they do that will come not equal to B1 by B2 Hasni.
Okay.
So answer Hasni already checked it, no intersecting pair of lines because the first two are not equal. A1 by 2 is not equal to B1 by 2. We need not check the C1 by C2 because of that. So intersecting lines means they have unique solution. They are consistent pair of lines. Shall we go to the next one, Hasni?
Yes.
Okay, Hasni. Fourth one, Hasni. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 11, which means if I bring 11 left side, Hasni minus 11 is equal to 0. And second equation is minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 20. Minus 10x plus 6y minus 22 will come left side plus 22 is equal to 0. Okay,
Yes.
Hasni?
Okay.
Yes, that's. Now, if you compare with A1x plus B1y plus C1 Hasni, A1 is 5 Hasni, B1 is minus 3, C1 is a minus 11
Okay.
for the first equation. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
A2 is minus 10, B2 is 6, and C2 is 20. Some teachers will do first multiplication of this equation with minus Hasni overall. Is it both sides? Still the equation is same, means they want to make it a first x coefficient positive, like that they do.
Okay.
But both will give same answer finally. If you multiply overall with minus Hasni, you will get 10x minus 6y minus 22 is equal to 0.
Okay.
So now we are doing A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, which is 5 1s are 5 2s are 1 by minus 2 Hasni, which is minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 Hasni, which is minus 3 by 6, which is minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
C1 by C2 is equal to minus 11 by 22, which is minus 1 by 2. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
So Hasni, you can see all the three ratios are same. All the three are
Same.
same. 1 by 2 only we got. Sorry, minus
Yes.
1 by 2. Hence, what type of lines Hasni? They are
Um,
coincident pair of lines.
yes, coincidence.
So they are consistent only. They come under consistent.
Okay.
Because they'll have infinitely many solutions, but since solutions exist, whether it is intersecting lines or coincident lines will come under consistent pair.
Okay.
Just for confirmation, also check the back answer also.
The back half also shows the same.
Okay, so we'll go to the fifth bit roughly. 4 by 3x means 4x by 3 plus 2y, 8 is equal to 8. So 4x by 3 plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
Now, Hasni, I'll here, like I said, some teachers will do by taking A1 as fraction only. Hasni, I'll prefer not to have fractions. If you wish with fraction also, if you don't confuse means no problem, Hasni. But I'll take LCM and I'll make it without any fraction. Okay.
Okay.
So this is into 3 into 3. LCM is 3 Hasni. This is also into 3 into 3. First one into 1 into 1 only.
Okay.
So it will become 4x by 3 plus 6y by 3 plus, sorry, minus 8 into 3. 24 by 3 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 6y minus 24 by 3 is equal to 0. 3 will cross multiply to become 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0 into 3, 0 has.
Okay.
So now second equation is this Hasni. We'll check the A1, B1, C1 values and A2, B2. C2 values.
Okay.
A1 is 4 Hasni, B1 is 6, C1 is minus 24. A2 is 2, B2 is 3, C2 is minus 12. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
So now I'm checking A1 by A2 Hasni, which is 4 by 2, which is 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 6 by 3 Hasni 2. C1 by C2 is equal to, I'm checking C1 by C2 because first two we got equal Hasni.
Okay.
So minus 24 by minus 12, which is again 2. Minus minus cut 24, 12, 1 is 12, 2. Sir. Okay.
Okay.
So now finally Hasni, we got A1 by A2 equal to A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by
C2.
C2. So which pair of lines Hasni?
Coincidence.
Is Hasni. Coincident lines, so they'll come under consistent. Okay.
Okay.
Just for confirmation, once you check the answer.
Yes. Yes, yes, sir. The back answer also shows the same.
Okay. So with this second question is completed. We just have to tell whether they are consistent or not by doing A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 ratios. We already know the conditions. Okay, Ashley?
Okay.
I think whenever we have A1, A2 fractions, I did LCM. Why I did this all to understand.
Yes, sir. To
I
remove the
have done
fraction.
that because yes,
To
Ashley, you're
remove the
telling me.
fraction. To remove the fraction, sir.
Yes, Ashley. A1, B1, C1 values will be integers, normal numbers only without any fraction.
Yes.
So that it will not confuse us, Ashley. Okay, Ashley?
Okay.
Okay, Ashley. We'll go to the fourth question. Ashley, once you read the question, Ashley, fourth one.
Which of the
Four.
following pair of linear
Yes.
equations are consistent as are inconsistent? If consistent, often obtain the solution graphically.
Yes, Hasni. So, Hasni, again, which of the following pair of lines are consistent, inconsistent? Inconsistent cases, parallel cases. So, no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Means in parallel case, no solution will come. Consistent case means whether they are intersecting or coincident is consistent case. Yes, or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Coincident and intersecting. Yes, Hasni. Now the question is finally, Hasni, after checking that, like the same way which we did it in third question, we need to, after checking that if consistent, then only obtain the solution graphically. Is from the graph, we need to find the solution. Okay.
Okay.
If suppose the lines are inconsistent, means if they are parallel, we need not do the graph. Because they clearly mentioned if consistent obtain the solution graphically means what if inconsistent we need not do the solution graph means we need not find draw the graph because anyways we will not get the solution because if they are inconsistent parallel we will graph will not get any common solution for the lines they will not meet no that's why. Okay, Hasmi,
Yes.
have you understood what I'm
Okay.
trying to tell? Hasmi, have you understood
So,
Hasmi what I'm trying to tell?
so once your voice is breaking a little bit, probably the headphones, Could you repeat again?
Hasmi,
Your voice is breaking before, probably because of the headphones. Once could you repeat again?
yes, Hasmi, if they are consistent only we should draw the graph and we should find the solution, Hasmi. From the graph.
Okay.
Solution from the graph means what? The point where they meet. That point is a solution, common solution for the lines. If they're coincident means every point that is in common will be the solution of.
Okay.
Okay. If
Okay.
the means in this question, if consistent only, we need to draw the graphs as. If inconsistent, we need the meaning of this is if suppose any of this is inconsistent, we need not draw the graph because anyways we will not get the solution, common solution, because you will get the lines, but when the lines are parallel, you will not get any common solution.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, we need not draw the graph as if they are inconsistent. Inconsistent means parallel lines. Okay.
Okay.
If consistent only, we will draw the solution graph as here.
Okay.
So fourth question, first bit. So if you observe the equations asked me, first one x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0.
Okay.
So ask me, A1 is 1, B1 is A1 is 1, B1 is 1, C1 is minus 5.
Okay.
A2 is 2, B2 is 2, C2 is minus 10.
Okay.
A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 2. So again,
Okay.
1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 is equal to 1 by 2. There, okay, Hasmi.
Okay.
Now what we can understand from this, Hasmi? So lines are coincident.
Okay.
So they are consistent pair of lines only.
Okay.
So now Hasmi will obtain the solution from graphically as.
Okay.
Okay, for that we will draw the graph. So we have to write at least 3 solutions for the first one, 3 solutions for the second one, Hasmi, and we'll plot it.
Okay.
So for that, let us take the solutions, Hasmi. That is for the first equation, I will take it first equation solutions and second equation solutions. First equation is x plus y is equal to 5 now, Hasmi. First equation
Yes, sir.
x plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus x. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10.
Okay.
So 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Y is equal to 10 minus 2x by. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll find some solutions, Hasni, for both of them. We'll take different x values for both of them to draw the graph. Okay, Hasni, 3 solutions we'll
Okay.
take. So Hasni, first one x I'm taking 1, Hasni, in the first equation. X is 1 means y is equal to 4. No, 5 minus 1. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
Yes, Hasni. So x is 2 I'm taking. Y is a 5 minus 2, 3. And one negative side I'll take, Hasni. X is minus 1. Or else x is minus 2, let us take. Y is 5 plus minus of minus 2, 5 plus 2 it will become 7. Any doubt, Hasni?
No,
Let's
sir.
check. So x is minus 2 means here minus of minus plus 2 it will become 5 plus 2 7.
Okay.
So points are 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 7 for the first line. Now we will take some other values for x which we didn't take here, Hasni, because reason is these two lines are same. Coincident means they're indirectly same lines. If you take the same x values here, you will get these only 4 3 7 only you will get it. If you want, you can try also, Hasni.
Okay.
So that is the reason why we will not take the same x values, because we should after plotting we should understand that both of them are same. So for
Okay.
that, if you take the same x values, you'll get the same y values. Means same points you're plotting means both of them it will be same. There only will understand. But to clearly understand it, we will take different points. After plotting, we will understand that both will lie on the same line. All of them will lie on the same line.
Okay.
So I am taking here. Let us take 2 has. Here I already took 2. So let us take 0.
Okay.
X is 0. X is 0 means 10 minus 2 into 0, 0 has to be 10 minus 0 is 10 minus 0 is 0 only. 10 by 2, 10 minus 0, 10, sorry. 10 by 2, 5 has to be.
5.
Okay. Yes, has to
Okay.
be. Now let us take x as 3 has to be. 10 minus 2 into 3, 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 10 minus 2 into 3, 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us take x as 4 Hasmi, which I didn't take. I am taking the x values in such a way that which I didn't take the left part Hasmi.
Okay.
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 So to pose the 8 Hasmi, 10 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. 10 minus 2 into 4, 8. 10 minus 8 is 2 has minus 2 has. Sorry, 10 minus. Oh, once again I am doing. 10 minus 2 into 4 is 8 Hasmi. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1.
1.
In this I am keeping Hasmi. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the solutions for this 0, 5, 3, 2 and 4, 1 has.
Okay.
If I plot these Hasni, then we will get the graph.
Okay.
So Hasni, I'm plotting the graph now. I think here it is sufficient Hasni. I'll plot very small, okay?
Okay.
So if you see the x values of which I took for both of them are until 5, I think, and y values went up to 7.
Okay.
And negative side, x values only 1 I took it. Okay. So I'll take more space for positive side of y-axis. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So I'll plot the graph here only. I'll plot in such a way that I'll take more space for positive side of y-axis.
Okay.
X, y negative, we didn't get anything. So Hasni, I'm plotting some points now.
Okay.
X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2. Then similarly on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now Hasni, I'm plotting both the lines Hasni. Okay.
Okay.
So first line points and first 1, 4, 2, 3, minus 2, 7. 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4 has me x1 y4. Here it will come. x1 y4. Okay.
Okay.
2 comma 3 x2 y3 means here it will come as
Okay.
x2 y3 and finally minus 2 comma 7 x is minus 2 and y is 7 has me x is minus 2 y is 7 in the second quadrant. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'll plot it, I'll draw the line as if I connect them as me, I'll get a line, straight line. Just a second. So plot this counter. So x is minus 2 and y is 7. Come here. X is minus 2, y is 7. Okay, Hasmi?
Okay.
Let's take this. So now I am drawing the line. You can see Hasmi line. Okay.
Okay.
So now Hasmi, this is the first line.
Okay.
On this I have to write here, I'm writing x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 first.
Okay.
X plus y minus, if I write it in ax plus by plus c form. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now Hasmi, I'm plotting the other ones now. Other ones are 0, 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
0, 5 means it is a point on y-axis, Hasmi, this point.
Okay.
This one. And the brinjal color ones, Hasmi, now 3, 2 Hasmi, 3, 2, x is 3, y is 2. So it will come here. Okay.
Okay.
And finally 4, 1. 4, 1 means if I just extend this line little bit further, I'll come here, I'll get it 4, 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hasni, I think you don't have any doubt, no?
No, sir, I don't have any.
Yes, Hasni. So 4, 1 once again I'll clearly plot this. X is 4 and y is 1. X is 4, y is 1. Now Hasni, I'm drawing the line Hasni, second line also. To show it, I am just drawing using different color. But the thing is both the lines will come same Hasni. Okay? Because they're coincident lines, no? If I'm trying to connect the brinjal color ones now.
Okay.
You can see both of them coincided actually. The brinjal color points I'm trying to connect as.
Okay.
Exactly they coincided as.
Okay.
Almost means the lines are same lines, which means that.
Okay.
In sliding it's not. Yes, I'm just trying to keep it exact. Till it is coming away Hasni, but both of them should exactly coincide as. Okay.
Okay.
If you plot it
Okay.
on the graph, when you draw it with scale, you'll get it. Now it almost matches. Okay.
Okay.
The first line and the second line Hasni. Clearly, the second one I have used blue color. First line I have used some other little bit similar color. Okay.
Okay.
So the points of the second line are 0, 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. And the points of the first line are 1, 4, 2, 3, minus 2, 7. All of them clearly coincided Hasni. So to show the
Yes.
first one also once again I am drawing. First line I have used this color. So to first line is from here to here.
Okay.
Both of them we clearly kept arrows as me.
Yes,
Okay, you
sir.
can see on that only blue color one is there.
Yes, sir.
On that only blue color one is there. So for blue color one, I am writing with blue color. The equation wise, if you see, Hasni, 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to
Yes.
0. Both of them are same lines. That's the reason why they exactly coincided, Hasni. Even though we didn't take the same points for them, but all those points lie on the same line actually.
Okay.
Yes, yes. I think you don't have any doubt now, Asmi.
No, sir.
2x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to. So this is the graph, Asmi. So from the graph solution means we have so many points, Asmi. All these are the solutions for that line.
Okay.
Because coincident, no, every point lying on them will be the solution for them.
Okay.
Every point lying on them. Like let us take one more point, Hasni, that is, if you want, you can just take one more point also, like which lies on that line, sir. 1, 6, 1, minus 1, 6 Hasni, another solution. If you want on this line only, it will come minus 1, minus 6. Okay, I'm plotting one solution from the graph Hasni, which we didn't do solve, which we didn't find out in these. I'm plotting one from the graph. Okay, you
Okay.
can see Hasni this point. This point is the one which I'm plotting it from the graph.
Okay.
Solution graphically, solution, one of the solution, one solution from the one of the solution. One of the solution from graph is minus 1, 6. You can check Hasni. If x is minus 1, you will get y as 6. Y as if x is minus 1, Hasni, we will get y as 6 only, Hasni. If you want, you can substitute and check all Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. Minus 1, 6 Hasni. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Like that, many solutions. Every point lies on those lines will be the solution for them because they are coincident lines. No? Every point, one of them only I just wrote it from the graph because minus 1, 6 I didn't plot it here. I didn't find out mathematically as me. From the graph I wrote it.
Yes.
Okay. If you keep x as minus 1, you'll get y as 6 only. If you are mathematically doing also.
Okay.
So this is the fourth question first. Do you have any doubt with the graph plotting?
No, sir.
Okay, Asmi. Shall we go to the next question, Asmi?
Yes, sir.
So just for confirmation, backside of the answers, once you check, Asmi, did they give like this? So Asmi, starting you said something, Asmi, backside answer.
So could you repeat? Backside answer?
Starting once again tell it Hasni, backside answer what they gave.
So they say gave it as solution 1 is given by y is equal to 5 minus x, where x can
Yes.
take any value. And there are
Where
infinitely many solutions.
yes, Hasni, because the lines are actually coincident lines, no, Hasni, infinitely many solutions.
Yes,
Okay, because I just wrote one solution from the graph, but these lines have actually infinitely,
many solutions.
because the reason is the lines are coincident. Both of them have in common infinite solutions.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Hasni. So they didn't draw the graph, Hasni.
No, so they didn't draw a graph.
Okay.
Oh,
Anyways, you understood it, Hasni?
yes, sir.
Yes. We'll go to the second one, Hasni.
Okay.
So now second one, if you see fourth question, second one has me. Actually, in the before question, I just wrote one solution from the graph, but it has infinite many solutions as second question. Okay, first, fourth question first, but it has infinitely many solutions. From the graph also, we can observe that.
Yes, sir.
This has me. First equation is x minus y is equal to 8 has me. Second equation is 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay.
Oh,
Now a1, b1, c1 values I'm writing. A2 is 3 has B2 is minus 3, C2 is minus. So ask me now a1 by b1, a2 by b2, those we are checking. Ask me, okay.
okay.
First, I wrote the equations in ax plus by plus c form, and then I'm checking a1 by a2 ratios. Now, a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 has me. From the values which I wrote, b1 by b2 is minus 1 by minus 3 means it is 1 by 3 again. Okay.
Okay.
And c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 16. Which means c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus minus that 8 1 by 8 2. So Hasni, a1 by a2 from the above we can say a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by
C1 by C2.
this Hasni. So parallel lines Hasni. Inconsistent pair of lines. Inconsistent pair of lines. No need of drawing the graph Hasni because we know that they have no solution.
No solution. Yes, sir.
No need of drawing the graph. If we draw it also, anyways, we'll get the parallel lines. But they asked us to draw the graph only if they are consistent as well in the question.
Yes, sir.
So now Hasni. So Hasni, from this fourth question, third bit onward, shall we freshly do it in our next class, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Hasni. Just for confirmation, also check the fourth question, second bit answer, Hasni.
So second one they didn't give, sir.
Means they didn't give anything, Hasni.
No, so they didn't give anything about the second one.
Yes, Hasni. Because in the main heading, main question, Hasni, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically, they said no. So maybe that is
Yes,
not consistent, so that's why they didn't give anything.
yes, sir.
Not maybe, actually we got clearly they are inconsistent pair of lines. Hasni, that is parallel lines we got, no? So that's why they have no solution, so they didn't give their answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Can see by Hasni.
Bye.